Way to go, Natural. Oh, wow. Aren't they beautiful?
Yeah. What if we got fireworks to a wedding?
That'd be awesome. Oh, wow. Look at all that.
Look at all that prettiness.
Yep, the Naturals beat the Drillers. We're in the top of our division. An awesome way to end the season.
Yeah.
Did you have fun, baby?
Yeah, I hope it doesn't set you a bonfire.
No, we'll be okay.
Woo! Oh, now that's a good one.
Okay.